Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2015 BMW M4 Convertible. This is a clean title, clean Carfax car. It's got 37,000 miles on it. We can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it, and we welcome trades. So typically we haven't been buying the convertibles. We like to build on this. It's an $86,000 build, which is a bunch of gear on it. So it's got $2,000 upgraded BMW wheels. It's got adaptive M suspension on it. It does have executive package on it. So it's super clean. Special order paint, upgraded interior. It's got keyless go. So anywhere you see a rib on a BMW handle of this generation, that allows you to lock your car. What a lot of people don't know is that will not unlock your car. The sensor for the unlock is actually in the handle, so you've got to grab it. So the tires are in good shape. This car doesn't need anything. It's super, super clean. So this is, if you're not familiar with them, this is the generation of the 6-cylinder. I think the last year of the V8 was 13. I don't think they did a 14. So and we've got the windscreen for the back seat, which is nice. I have one key. I've got the window sticker and a set of books. So you can see there's no paint damage anywhere, no nicks, dings. The wheels are all in perfect shape. Didn't have to do any of those. So if you see the line in this generation BMW, that's an indication you have fully adaptive LED lights. And on this you have lighting package, so you've got automatic high beams. So your high beams will turn on and off automatically if you have them set on. And that's super nice, so they've got a light sensor in there. So this is their secure orange interior. It's in super good shape. There's no signs of any wear and tear. I'll put the top up at the end of the video just so you can see that. Now you can see the door panel is clean. So, super nice. So, you have illuminated, is it illuminated? Yeah. And then you have they call that a wind scarf. So, that's also an optional piece of equipment. You'll notice these 3 buttons. So this is part of the driver's assistance of this generation. These have changed now. So the package has changed, I think in 18 or 19, but anyways, lane departure, lane keep, passenger side door, passenger side seat, super clean. It's got Harman Kardon sound. That's also an upgrade. So I'll start. It's got keyless go, of course, passive entry. So that's what the exhaust sounds like. It sounds great. So, top, wind scarves, iDrive, shift, dampening, and then a bunch of stuff here. So this is all suspension, steering, changing in your, so if you hit this, you're going to see 3 settings come up: Sport Plus, Comfort, and Sport. So those all change your handling and your responsiveness, which is nice. It's adaptive M drive. You have dual auto climate control, dual heated seats. Let me put the top up. So you put the top up, just pull of this switch, and that puts everything in motion. These are relatively quick and efficient. German engineering at its finest. And then if you hold that down, you'll see the last, you can actually complete this process. You'll get a sign on the dash here that says the process is complete. That is right before the windows roll up, and then the windows rolling up will be, they're part of the process, but it's not required. So there's your iDrive. I've gone through, I have pictures of all this stuff on here, so you do have a backup camera. On this particular car, you see the R is not selected. If the R is selected, which I'll do now, that gives you the backup camera. If you unselect that, you've got the surround view. So that's nice. Bluetooth, enhanced Bluetooth actually. I'm turning the parking sensor off. Navigation, media. So you have aux, you have a hard drive, so you can store music, radio, satellite radio. And then in this generation you have vehicle information. So you can go into the vehicle status, and down here where the service is required, it will tell you where your status is on all the maintenance stuff. So this car is all current on everything. It's not going to need anything for a while. Another nice thing about this is you've got an owner's manual in the digital format, which is in the iDrive system. So you scroll through and then select what you're looking for. So that's nice. And then all this other stuff is, you do have settings in here, which, where's that? So sport displays is torque. You've got quick reference. So again, scroll through. iDrive has come a long ways. It is not what it used to be. So if you go down to settings, it used to be just terrible. So M1 and 2 drive, heads-up display. So that allows you to change the brightness and the rotation of where it's located, and all the other stuff. Touchpad. So you've got a touchpad on your on this. These are also programmable for it. So you'll see as I scroll over those, you'll see those numbers, and then you can program those to what you want to do. So you have a multi-function steering wheel. You have a paddle shift, so you have an upshift on the right and a downshift on the left. M-Drive stuff over here. Voice activation, onboard computer stuff. BC is for onboard computer, so you'll see you can change the display and what you're looking at. The A is for automatic high beam, so if you put your lights into the automatic position and you hit this, that's going to give you a green indication, which is one of the only things I'm aware of that's universal. It's basically, that means an automatic high beam in almost any car out of Europe or Germany nowadays, which is not common to find universal symbols. I don't know why they've agreed on that, but you do have a heated steering wheel also, so there's a button down here on the steering column. If you hit that, you can see it's activated. You turn it off, it's deactivated. So these are safety. So you'll see so you have a front collision warning, which is going to tell you how much space you've got, lane change. You've got blind spot also. So that little triangle on this generation BMW, it's a little hard to see there, but that's an indication you've got blind spot. Power folding mirrors, home link. So 3 buttons, programmable for security gates and garage door openers. I should have brought the build list. I apologize for not doing that. I've got, there's your books, and I have one master key. I have a window sticker that shows all the equipment on it. It's a really nice build. They don't commonly have this much gear on it. That's why we bought it. The mileage is also decent for a 15. We like them in the 20s, but 30s isn't bad. It's 7 years old now, so ahead of the curve. Anyways, you can see the top is clean. I mean, the car is pristine condition. We love the wheels, adaptive M suspension, and then the build on it. So if you have questions or would like additional information, we can be reached at 503-227-2354. Again, we can finance it through Cuddle. We can put an extended warranty on it until 100,000 miles, and we welcome trades. Other than that, thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.